Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB on Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have just covered up many of the things using Python and DS, and I hope you understand that all of the things which we have done yet. So today we are just building an amazing project using Python and artificial intelligence, and today I will be telling you that how we can just build an amazing sticky notes project using Python and artificial intelligence. So I hope you'll be understanding this video here from the start. So remember to see this video because in this video we will be just building an amazing project here. So if you understand this video and if you enjoy this, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. And after subscribing, the notification bells, more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these projects using these all amazing languages. So just now we'll be starting with our amazing video here of the sticky notes and seeing that how we can just build this project in Python using artificial intelligence from start. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just building an amazing project using Python and artificial intelligence, and today we are just building an amazing sticky notes project here. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we can just build this amazing sticky notes project using Python and AI. So for building this project, I will be opening my folder which I have created on my desktop. You can see sticky notes in Python. So I will be opening this file and then I will be moving to my main file to remove that all the stuff which we are getting here. Then you have to save this and press Ctrl B. And now we have to start some codes here of Python so we can move on to work and to build this amazing project of a sticky note. So I will be now writing here import tickinter. Then I will be writing here stk like this. Then you have to write here def CLI. CLI means command line. So here I will be now running my command line, means I will be defining my command line through this def tag here. And then you have to now import the time here. So I will be importing time. Then you have to write here current time like this is equals to. Then you have to write here time.strf time. Then I will be now just writing here %h like this, and then you have to write here %m. Then after writing this, you have to write here gets the current time like this. Then you have to now write here print tag. In this print tag, I will be now writing here welcome to Note. So this is our sticky notes application name, which is called Note. Then here I will be writing you can now create sticky notes easily like this. Now after writing this, you have to now directly move down, write here time.sleep, and then I will be writing here 2, and then you have to now write here note input, and in note input I will be writing input here, and in this input tag I will be now making this like colon, and here I will be writing type your notes here like this. And after writing this, you have to now directly just move here, like move down and create is equals to, and then you have to write here this hashtag like this. And after writing this hash, you have to now just directly write % and write here s. Then you have to write here the % tag and write here note input. So here I will be now writing like this and write here note underscore input. Then you have to now write here time.sleep and write here 1. Then I will be writing hashtag time.sleep and write here prevents like this and write joy from popping. So here I will be writing up before. So here I will be now writing before it receives. So here I will be writing input. Then you have to now write here root is equals to tk.tk. Then you have to now directly move down and create here root title. So here I will be writing is equals to noti. So here I will be now writing here noti like this. Then you have to now write here root.geometry like this. So here I will be now writing root.geometry. Then I will be writing here 300 x 300. Then you have to now directly move down and create here changes. Then I will be writing here the changes the width like this, and here I will be writing and height of the guy like this. And then you have to now directly move down and create tk dot label, and here I will be writing root and write here text is equals to current underscore time. Then you have to write here back and then make this bracket here. Then write here prints, and I will be writing the current time. And here you have to now write here tk dot label. And here I will be writing root comma text is equals to note. Then I will be writing dot pack and then like this. Now when you written this, you have to write here prints, and I will be writing the input like this. And you have to write here root dot main loop, and then you have to now directly do one thing. You have to just close this, and after closing this, you have to now directly write here keeps showing. Then I will be writing here keep showing the note until. Then I will be writing user closes it like this. And after writing this tag, you have to now directly write here CLI command to run this. So I will be writing here CLI to run this command. So I will be now writing here CLI like this. After writing this CLI, you have to directly save it, and then you have to go to the setup py file which is here. So after moving to this setup py file here, you have to now directly remove all the stuff from here. Then you have to just just you have to work with this setup file. So I will be writing here setup tools, and I will be writing here import setup. After importing the setup, here you have to now write here setup like this, and then you have to create this bracket. Write here name is equals to Noti. Then you have to now directly write here packages is equals to, then I will be writing here Noti like this. Then you have to now write here comma version is equals to, then I will be writing 0.11.0, and then you have to write here description is equals to, right here creating sticky notes. Then I will be now writing here has never been easier. Then you have to now directly full stop here and then write comma and move down. After writing, you have to write here long description. Right here is equals to, and right here a simple. So here I will be now writing a simple by sticky. Then I will be writing here node program like this, and then I will be writing here created with Tkinter. Then I will be now just writing here like this, and then right here a tag which will be like author is equals to, then I will be now writing here grg and right here bls like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here author, and then you have to now just write here author underscore email is equals to, right here grgbl, and you can write any of your email address here. So I will be writing a random email address which I have written. Then you have to set the URL. You can write any of the random URL as well. So I will be writing https://github, and I will be writing .com/grg, and I will be writing bls like this, and I will be writing here Noti like this. Now you have to write here comma, write here license is equals to, and then you have to now just write here MIT, and then you have to now directly write here py underscore modules. Then you have to now just directly write here is equals to, and then here I will be now writing here Noti. Then you have to now just directly move down, and after moving down you have to write here install underscore requires, and then you have to write is equals to and write like this. After writing this tag, you have to now just write this comma and write here entry underscore points, and then you have to write here is equals to and write 3 colon here like this. Then after writing these 3 colons, you have to now directly remove these all stuff, and then you have to now make this like this. So you can see we have just now done that all stuff here. After making this, you have to now directly move down, and after moving down, you have to now just create a tag like 3 colons again here. After creating this, you have to move down, and then you have to now just write here console underscore scripts like this. Then you have to write here Noti is equals to Noti like this, and write here dot main and colon CLI like this. Then you have to write here comma, and then you have to close it like this. So you can see we have now directly closed this thing here. Then you have to save it, move here to run this file. So I will be moving to terminal, and then after moving to terminal, I will be writing here python main.py, which is our file name. You can see now it is saying me that welcome to Noti, you can now create sticky notes easily. So it is saying me that type your notes here. So now I will be writing my notes, like I will be writing this is a sticky note. Press enter. So you can see now I have just written my note, and I just press enter, and I have just written the note here which is saying this is a sticky note. So you can see now we have just written our notes, and you can see our note has been just pasting here. So it will be now running our note directly here. So we have to wait a while till it will be running the notes here, and then you have to now directly do one thing. You have to now just move here into the CMD to run this again. So after moving to CMD, I will be now writing directly here cd desktop, and then write here sticky, and then I will be writing cd sticky notes. Then I will be writing in Python. Then you have to now write here python main.py, and you can see now it is saying that welcome to, you can now create sticky notes. I will be writing this is a sticky note. So I will be now just writing here sticky notes. Press enter. So when you will be pressing enter, it has been saved your sticky notes here. You can see now our sticky notes has been saved here in this file. So you can see we are getting 2 files, and here we have just saved our sticky notes, and it is also showing me the time on which time it has been saving our like you can say note. So you can see it has been saved our sticky notes here. Now you can create another sticky note. Like if I run it again by writing the command of python main.py, so I will be now just writing here, and now it will be asking me again. So I will be writing sticky notes are good. Press enter. So now you can see we are just getting another note which is saying the sticky notes are good, and it is also showing me the time 4:07 p.m. So like this, you can just create a sticky note project. So I hope you understand how to create this amazing project of sticky notes, and I hope this was an amazing project, and I hope you understand this project. It was a small project, but that was really helpful for you, in which you can create your own sticky note to check the note which you have written here in your note. So just if you have understand this project which we have just built through Python, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, the notification bell, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project using AI in Python. So just tell me meet you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.